In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process of downloading the Capitec Bank app on your phone, step by step. If you're new to mobile banking, or you just got a new device, don't worry, getting the Capitec app installed is really simple, and I'll make sure everything is clear so you can start using your account right away. Before we begin, make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data, because the app won't download without an internet connection. Once you're connected, we can get started. Go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Capitec Bank, then hit search. In just a few seconds, you should see the official Capitec Bank mobile banking app appear in the results. It'll have the Capitec logo, so make sure you're choosing the correct one to avoid downloading anything unofficial. Once you've located the right app, tap on the Get button next to it. Your phone might ask you to verify that it's really you by using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password. Go ahead and confirm, and right after that, the download will begin. You'll see the app icon appear on your home screen, and a little progress circle will show you how fast it's installing. Just wait for the download to finish. It usually only takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. As soon as it's done, the Get button will turn into an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Capitec app for the very first time. Now you're ready to log in, register your device, and start using all the convenient banking features like checking your balance, sending money, paying accounts, and managing your profile, all directly from your phone. And that's all you need to do to download the Capitec Bank app on your iPhone.